By the way, Earth, how long do you orbit around the sun?
I would like to go like a year and 6 hours.
Alright, and what does the sun's gravitational pull do to us?
Well, the sun's gravity keeps us in our orbit.
Correct! Good. But also, what's Jupiter doing? Talking about Jupiter? He's using his gravity to keep asteroid belt in check, so that the solar system will become stable as usual.
So the solar system became unstable?
Tell all the planets that we have a new announcement in the solar system, and tell them to leave their orbit and assemble in the solar system. You can do it yourself. I know you can. Whatever you do is to listen what I'm saying. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. I'll be counting on you.
Oh, what's up, Mercury? We don't have time for this. The sun said it's time for a new announcement in the solar system. Hurry up and gather all the planets right now. Roger that, Mercury.
Did you hear the sun moon? Yeah, he said that there will be a new announcement at the solar system and all the planets will be gathered in no time. But not us, because we'll be on our way right now. Yeah, I think it's time to go to the sun. Lead the way, moon. Yeah, let's do this.
Well, I can't wait for a new solar system announcement. Well, it's serious. It's just a secret, isn't it, Earth? Well, yeah, but we heard the sun talking about the new solar system announcement. We are approaching the sun.
Looks like the Earth is right, Venus. We must get a move on.
Hey, what's up, Earth? What do you need? Well, I was wondering what the announcement of the solar system is. So, everyone, assemble. There. So, the new special announcement for the solar system is the solar system School.